today I'm going to show you how to do the extended single crochet. So I have a swatch here that I've done with the extended single crochet. And it gives it the single crochet just a little bit of a different look. So it's just a little different look, a little different texture. It's really simple and easy to do. You can do it for like any project, blankets, hats, scarves, anything. Works up quickly, very quickly for your project. So we'll get right on started. So to get started, I've just made a slip knot, and I'm just going to chain a few stitches. It doesn't matter how many or whatever, this is just a sample piece I'm going to do here. So, to start, you're going to, in the second stitch or chain from your hook, you will insert your hook and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. A normal single crochet, you would yarn over and pull through both loops. For an extended single crochet, we will yarn over, pull through the first loop, we still got 2 loops, yarn over, and then pull through both loops. We'll do it again. Insert in the next chain, pull up a loop, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the other 2. So that's how easy it is. We'll do it again. Insert to the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop. So, and that is how easy it is to do the extended single crochet. It just makes that single crochet just a little bit bigger. It just helps add just another look to a simple stitch. So we'll get all the way down here. Our last one, and then to do another row, you'll simply just chain 1, turn your work, and then just work in each stitch again. 1, there. Like that, and that's how simple and easy it is. And that's how simple and easy it is to do the extended single crochet. And you sit there working a bigger piece, what it looks like. So, if y'all guys like that, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for all my new patterns and free crochet patterns. Happy crocheting, guys!